So dear all, we are going to do the PortFast configuration on this interface FA0/1 that is connected to my PC. Okay. If I disconnect the cable and connect again, it is taking 30 seconds to boot up. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me disconnect this, and when I will reconnect this cable, so I can see that it is taking 30 seconds to boot up actually. Okay. So you can see, let me put a command show spanning tree, so it is in listening mode. Okay, again it is in listening mode. So fa0/1 is in what, learning mode now. Learning mode, then learning mode, and learning mode. So it is taking approximate 30 seconds to boot up. So we have to reduce this timing. So how we, now it is in forwarding mode. Which one? This one is in forwarding mode, but it takes 30 seconds to boot up because of spanning tree protocol. So how to reduce this time? To reduce this time, we have to configure the spanning tree protocol PortFast. Let me configure the PortFast, and then we will configure the RSTP. First, let's do the configuration of PortFast. Okay. So dear all, we are going to do the configuration of PortFast. So how we can do that? First of all, you have to go to global configuration mode. Okay. Select the interface FA0/1. Okay. The command will be spanning tree PortFast. This command is used to configure the PortFast, but there is a warning that this can only be configured on what? The non-trunking link. Okay. So let me go again to the uh, privilege mode, put a command show spanning tree. So it will show FA0/1. Okay. So FA0/1, let me disconnect the cable, and when I will again connect, it will be automatically boot within a quick second. So you can see that I have disconnected the cable, and when I will reconnect again, it will automatically up within what? A second. Let me again disconnect and again connect. Okay, I have just disconnected the cable. Let me again insert. So you can see. So putting a command show spanning tree. So you can see that this is in forwarding mode. So quickly it is getting in what? Forwarding mode. Because of what? Because of PortFast configuration. So this is how you can configure the PortFast, everyone. Okay. Have a nice day.